Hello everyone, welcome to my program. My name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mertajam and now I'm staying in Johor, in Kluang. So welcome everyone to my program. We are now at this, actually I'm uploading my book. Alright, so I'm uploading videos of my book, my second book, which is written in 2 languages, viii. So this is also due to request from the buyers. For those people who bought my book 1, they requested that I use 2 languages to publish my second book, and I agreed to do so because I think it's good. You can learn, using 2 languages. So for the explanation part, this book, the part where I explain the grammar rules, I use 2 languages, Bahasa Melayu and English. But the questions are totally in English. So I'm now doing my book 3, the 3rd book. And for the 3rd book, I'm using 100% English again. Because the first book, 38 lessons altogether, 100% English. So those people who bought this book, many of them requested that my second book I use 2 languages, so it's easier to understand. So I agreed. I feel that it's okay. So my second book I published in 2 languages, English and Bahasa Melayu. Only the explanation part, but the questions 100% in English. And now my book 3, again, I go back to 100% English. So why do I do that? Because for those people who bought book 1, they bought book 2 as well. So they have been following my videos a total of till the end. This second book has 40 chapters, and this book has 38 chapters. By the time I finish this book, I would have uploaded 78 chapters in my channel. So those people who have bought book 1 and book 2, they have been following. So because the chapters are the same, book 1, all 38 chapters of book 1 are in book 2. So book 2, 40 chapters, I add 2 new ones only. And my book 3 has all these 40 chapters go to my book 3, and I add 2 more. So book 3 has 42 chapters. So why is this thing happening? Why is it everything in book 1 comes to book 2? Why? Because whether you are in primary school, in secondary school, or university, you still have to know the same thing. Prepositions, conjunctions, present tense, past tense, future tense. You have to know. So it does not mean that in primary school you studied prepositions, secondary school you don't have to learn anymore. No, you still have to learn. In primary school you learn conjunctions, but so because, do you learn in secondary school? Yes. In university, do you have to use conjunctions? Yes again. So it's the same. The only difference is that for my book, book 2 is harder, more difficult than book 1. Book 3 is more difficult than book 2. It goes like this. So the lessons are the same, the topics are the same, but it becomes more and more and more difficult, more and more challenging. It requires a lot of thinking skills. Now my book 3, it is now halfway. I'm stuck halfway because not that kind of stuck. My meaning stuck is to say that, not to say stuck, maybe it's not such a good word after all. I've stopped temporarily because I don't have the time yet to, to do all this writing, because now I have to, my main focus now is to finish the whole book. And you can see, this lesson 36, this is the 8th video and the last one. This is the last. exercise 12 is the last exercise. So after this, I will be going to lesson 37. After this lesson, the next lesson would be lesson 37, 38, 39, 40, finish. So once I have finished 40 lessons, the whole book is uploaded, then I can concentrate on completing my book, book 3. Book 3 is 100% in English, because those people who requested me to publish in 2 languages, by now they should be very good, because it's a repeat. All the lessons are repeated. Only 2 new lessons. So by now, by the time I finish this book and they follow my book, every page, every question and every chapter, they would already be so familiar. So I feel that book 3, I don't have to use 2 languages anymore, because by now they should be very familiar. Alright? Now, we are now at positive and negative sentences, lesson 36, video number 8. We have to change the negative to the positive. Now, negative means you don't agree. Negative means you don't admit, you deny. So negative means you say no. But then we have to change it to the positive. We say yes. When we change to the positive, we agree, we admit. Alright? So we are now at exercise 12. If you have the book, it is page 115, 115, this book. If you have, you can open to page 115 and follow as I read. So number 1, you may not go out of the hall. So you just have to throw the not away. It becomes you may go out of the hall. Okay, it becomes a positive sentence. Number 2, we shall not buy a new house next year. Again, throw the not away. So we shall buy a new house next year. Number 3, the hunter did not catch a bear. So here you have to throw 2 words. If it is did not, you have to throw away 2 words. And then this catch has to change to the past tense because of the word did. So the hunter caught a bear. Remember, don't pronounce catch. You say caught. Okay? Number 4. The women were not shopping the whole afternoon. Were not shopping. So throw the not away. The women were shopping all afternoon. It becomes the positive. Number 5. The fishermen do not go out to sea every morning. Do not throw away. And then this go remains the same. So the fishermen go out to sea every morning. Number 6. Your father has not gone out to work yet. Remember? Not yet. But when you change to the positive, yet becomes already. So your father has not gone out to work yet. Change to the positive, your father has gone out to work already. Okay? Number 7. The rich man would not help the poor villagers. Again, you throw the not away. So, the rich man would help the poor villagers. Number 8. Miss Tan is not typing a letter in the office. Is not typing. Throw the not away. Miss Tan is typing a letter in the office. And where are we? Mr. Gopal does not teach English in a primary school. Does not teach. Throw both words away. And then does, you can see the S here, you have to move it over here. So Mr. Gopal teaches English in a primary school. Okay? Most of the time, when the verb ends with a H, we put ES. Most of the time. Okay? This side, number 10. The little children cannot go out and play now. Can you see? Cannot. Cannot is one word. I have mentioned this previously. Okay, all nots are separated except cannot. The word cannot is joined together as one word. So when you change to the negative, you take away the not. So number 10 would be, the little children can go out and play now. Number 11. We have not washed all the dishes yet. It's the same as this one, as number 6. So not yet. When you change to the positive, yet becomes already. Throw the dog away. We have washed all the dishes already. Number 12. They were not working all day yesterday. So not throw away. They were working all day yesterday. It becomes the positive. Number 13. My family will not go for a holiday next year. Will not go, change to will go. The not throw away. So, my family will go for a holiday next year. Number 14. I am not selling my old computer to Roshan. So, am not, change to am. Throw the not away. So, I am selling my old computer to Roshan. Number 15. It was not raining when we went out. So not throw away. It was raining when we went out. Okay, that's it. We have already finished all exercises in lesson 36. 8 videos altogether, 12 exercises. Wow! So we have finished. Remember to give me a like, share and subscribe. Okay, so the next video I will be doing lesson 37. Lesson 37 is short forms. We have 6 exercises in lesson 37. So it might take me maybe 2 to 3 videos to complete the whole thing. Then we can move to lesson 38. Okay, so we are now going towards the end of the book. I hope that we can finish the soonest possible so that I can concentrate on writing book 3. So book 3, 100% in English. It will be harder, I would say more difficult than book 2. And I will add 2 more chapters. So book 3 will have 42 chapters. Book 3 will have 42 chapters. Book 2 has 40 chapters. Book 1 has 38 chapters. Because even if we learn all grammar, I don't think it will be more than 60 chapters. So not to worry. Okay, so as I told you, my focus now is to upload videos to finish book 2. Then I can concentrate on writing book 3. Otherwise, I just cannot do everything at the same time because I'm involved in teaching as well. Now, as if you want to learn, if you want to buy my books, book 1 or book 2 or both, all right, please go to please WhatsApp to me this number. If you want to learn speaking, go to my TikTok or my Instagram. And as I mentioned previously, if in your area, if in the place where you live, especially to teachers out there or company people who have companies or big organizations, in your area, if you have enough students who request me to go to your place to teach physical classes, that is face to face, yes, I can do it. But of course there must be enough classes, enough people. Okay, too few, then it's okay. We can always organize online classes. It's still okay. It's still okay. Either individual or small groups is okay. It's fine with me. And of course, you can request whatever you want to learn. Reading, reading means comprehension. You want to learn speaking, listening. You want to learn business English, writing, essay, whatever. Just let me know. I can, go to your place, but there must be enough students. You can always WhatsApp to me. As I mentioned, if there are not enough students, it's okay. We can conduct online classes for you. And of course, you need to make, you have to pay. If I go to your place to teach, you have to pay. Okay? Otherwise, you can continue to watch my videos, which are good as well. Okay? So that's all. Do remember to give me a like, share and subscribe. And I will see you again in the next video, which is lesson 37. Okay, so goodbye and see you again.